If you want to sign out of mail on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. In Settings, just tap on Apps, and from this app list, just look for the Mail app. Then tap on it. From here, just tap on Mail Accounts, and from here you have two methods to sign out of Mail. The first method is to select the email account which is logged into your mail and disable the toggle for mail from here. And after you do that, you will sign out of the Mail app. And the second method is just select your email account and tap on Delete Account. From here, just select Delete from my iPhone. And once you do that, you will completely sign out of your Gmail account or your email account from your iPhone. And this is how you can sign out of mail on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, or the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.